What is FBA Market Tracker? FBA Market Tracker is a powerful tool used by Amazon sellers to monitor and analyze product and market trends within the Fulfillment by Amazon FBA ecosystem. It provides real-time insights into how products perform in specific niches, tracking sales volume, price fluctuations, competition levels, and customer demand. By using this data, sellers can identify which markets are growing, which ones are declining, and where the biggest opportunities lie for new product launches. The purpose of a market tracker is to help sellers stay competitive by revealing shifts in customer behavior and product rankings. It allows users to compare multiple ASINs, analyze top competitors, and track performance changes over time. With these insights, sellers can make smarter decisions about product sourcing, pricing, and advertising strategies to maintain profitability and market share. Most Amazon sellers use Helium 10's Market Tracker to stay ahead of the competition. This advanced tool gives detailed insights into market health, brand dominance, and emerging trends, helping sellers make confident, data-driven business decisions. By combining Market Tracker with other Helium 10 tools, sellers can optimize product selection, boost rankings, and scale their FBA business strategically. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to track market trends, analyze competitors, and grow your Amazon FBA business efficiently at no cost.